Hello, students, and good morning to all of you. And now this is Brijesh Singh, and now I'm going to discuss with you the topic of basic accounting of Unit Second. The topic is types of accounts and rules of debit and credits. So, whatever I discuss in the class, basics of accounting, principles of accounting, and other things, I hope you understand. And today I'm going to discuss types of accounts and rules of debit and credit again. So types of accounts. So basically, the object of bookkeeping is to keep complete records of all transaction that plays in the business. And to achieve this object, business transaction have been classified into three categories. So basically, every business having the objectives, and bookkeeping also having the objectives to maintain the complete record of all transaction which have been in place in the business. And to achieve these kind of objectives, then the business transaction have been classified into three categories: the transaction which are related to persons, transaction related to properties and assets, transaction related to incomes and expenses. The accounts falling under the first heading and are also known as the personal account, and the account falling under the second it is also known as a real account, nominal account, and etc. The account can also be classified personal, impersonal, or following charts. This is the chart. The types of accounts: personal, real, and nominal. There are three kinds of accounts are there. The personal account. The personal accounts may be classified into three categories: natural person, artificial person, or representative person. Then real account may be classified into two categories: tangible or intangible. Nominal accounts may be classified into expenses and losses, and all incomes and gains. Then moves to the personal account. Basically, accounts recording transaction with that person or group of persons are known as the personal account, and these accounts are necessary in particular to record credit transaction. Personal accounts are of the following types. First one is natural person. So basically, natural person are account recording transaction with the individual human beings and termed as a natural persons. And personal accounts like Kamal account, Mohan account, Sohan account, Sharma account. Both males and females are included there. So natural persons are the persons like you and us. We are the natural persons, and when we prepare the accounts of these persons are known as a natural personal account. Second one is artificial or legal person. An account recording financial transaction with an artificial person created by law or otherwise in termed as artificial person. Personal account as firm account, limited companies account, educational institution account, cooperative societies account. So like these kind of accounts are known as artificial or representative, means the persons who created by law, they are known as artificial or the legal persons, and they are categorized under this. Then group or representative personal account. So basically an account indirectly representing a persons or persons is known as representing a personal account. तो डायरेक्टली जो कोई भी इनडायरेक्टली कोई भी जो पर्सन है या कोई जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है उसको पर्सनल अकाउंट में रखा जाता है व्हेन अकाउंट्स आर ऑफ सिमिलर नेचर एंड देयर नंबर इज लार्ज. It is better to take a group of them under one of head of unrepresented personal accounts, then prepaid insurance account. So particularly related to the persons for that prepaid outstanding salaries, rent, wages, etc. They are known as a representative personal account. And when a person starts a business, he is known as the proprietor. Then this proprietor is represented by the capital, and like the capital is a representative account of the owners, so that is also known as a representative personal account for all that invest in the business, and drawing accounts also for the owners, and for all such which are withdrawal for business. So capital account, drawing account are also personal account for the owner and proprietor. Another person like prepaid insurance, outstanding, and wages vagara, all these accounts are known as personal account. Then second is real account. Accounts are related to the proprietor assets are known as real. Proprietors assets are known as a real account. So a separate account is maintained for each assets like cash, machinery, building, etc. Real accounts can be further classified into two categories: tangible or intangible. So basically, real accounts are those accounts which are related with the assets and properties of the particular business. So these accounts are known as like cash, building, furniture, machinery, and they are classified into two categories: tangible or intangible. Tangible real accounts, these accounts which represents the assets and properties which can be seen, touched, felt, smelled, measured, purchased, and sold, etc. Machinery account, cash account, furniture, stock, etc. These accounts are known as a tangible account. Intangible accounts, intangible real account. These accounts are represent the accounts and properties which cannot to be seen, touched, or felt by, but they can be measured in terms of money. Goodwill accounts, patents accounts, trademark account, copyright account, etc. are known as a real account. Then go moves to the another category that is known as a nominal accounts. Accounts related to incomes, revenues, gains, expenses, losses are termed as a nominal accounts. And these accounts are also known as fictitious accounts, and they do not represent any tangible assets. Okay, all they do not represent any tangible assets, but the separate account in maintained for each of head, expenses or losses, and gains and incomes. तो इन सबके लिए एक्सपेंसेस लो हो या लेसोस हो या गेन एंड इनकम हो, सबके लिए एक सेपरेट अकाउंट्स मेंटेन किए जाते हैं. तो वेजेस अकाउंट, रेंट अकाउंट, कमीशन अकाउंट, interest received, and some other examples of nominal accounts are also there. But so these are the accounts of known as a nominal accounts. So basically the accounts which are related with incomes and losses, income gains and losses, etc. Then rules of debit and credit. So the rules for the personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Means when the person receives something, then he is debited in the account, and credit something when the giver is give something to the another person. Then there's like the Sohan sold goods to the Mohan. So Mohan is the receiver, and goods goes out from the business, and Sohan is गिवर. तो बेसिकली गिवर कौन है? ऑनर हो जाएगा. ऑनर्स का नाम हम नहीं लिखते हैं, बट क्या जा रहा है आपके यहाँ गिवर में जो है फिर रियल अकाउंट यहाँ आपका आ जाता है. देन रूल्स फॉर द रियल अकाउंट, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन एंड क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. तो बेसिकली द वट एवर कम्स इन टू द बिजनेस, दैट इज ऑल थिंग्स आर डेबिटेड, एंड whatever goes out to the business, and they all these things are credited to the accounts. Like goods purchased, so purchase kiya, that means purchase comes into the business. So purchase account debit in terms of goods, and whatever you pay like cash, so then cash to cash account, so that is the pay. Then like this, and sales account, agar sold something to the Ram, so goods sold to the Mohan on cash, so then cash sold, then the cash comes into the business, cash account debit. देन गुड्स जो है आपका जाएगा गुड्स अकाउंट, यानी कि सेल्स अकाउंट यहाँ पर आपका आ जाता है. रूल्स फॉर द नॉमिनल अकाउंट, डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस, ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस आर डेबिटेड, एंड क्रेडिट ऑल द इनकम्स एंड गेन्स. जितने भी इनकम्स एंड गेन्स है वो सब क्रेडिटेड हो जाएंगी. लाइक जो भी रिसीव है. Then another is branches of accounting. Basically, the changing business scenario over the centuries gave rise of specialization branches of accounting, which could cater the changing requirements of the branches of accounting. The first one is financial accounting. Basically, there are three branches: financial, cost, and management accounting. The financial accounting, the accounting system concerned only with the financial state of affairs and financial results of operation is known as financial accounting. It is the original from the accounting, and it is mainly concerned with the preparation of financial statement for the use of the outsiders like creditors, debentures holders, investors, and financial institutions. The financial statement, the profit and loss account, held balance sheet, and shown the manner in which the operation of the business have been conducted during that specified period. Are all things are in terms in financial accounting. Then second is cost accounting. In view of the limitation of financial accounting in respect of information relating to the cost of individual products, cost of accounting was developed, and it is that branch of accounting and which is concerned with the accumulation and assignment of historical cost to units of product and departments, primarily for the purpose of valuation of stocks and measurement of profits. Cost accounting seeks to ascertain the cost of units produced and sold or the services rendered by the business unit with a view of exercising control over these costs and to assess profitability and efficiency of the enterprises. And it generally related to the futures and involves in the estimation of future cost. So basically cost is related which can be expended for developing the new product and services, and primarily the incurring of cost and so all these things can come into the business, and process of cost accounting based on the data which is provided by financial accounting. Basically, Management accounting, it is the accounting for the management and accounting which provides necessary information to the management and for discharging its function. So basically, management accounting is a presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist the management in the creation of policy and day-to-day operation of undertakings. So management accounting basically एक अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करना जो मैनेजमेंट को हम लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग और डिस्चार्जिंग द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ द बिजनेस and it also covers all arrangement and combination of and adjustment of the outer works and information to the provides and chief executive information from which can be controlled. So information about funds, cost, profit, etc. Management accounting is not only confined to the area of cost accounting, but also covers other areas such as capital expenditure decision, capital structure decision, dividend decision, etc. Well, there are various terms, and basically management accounting is a decision accounting in another way than we can say. So thank you very much. If you have any problem, then go for the financial and management accounting Dr. Ajan Maheshwari. Thank you. This is a reference.